How about this for a lesson? Do not underestimate our local basketball teams.
Time for Life Lessons with Leabo, brought to you by Robert Brogden's Olathe Buick GMC and Olathe Kia, home of the 90-day money-back guarantee.
The regular season wraps up Saturday in the Big 12 and the SEC, with KU, K-State, and Mizzou all finishing better than predicted, whether by the coaches of the Big 12 or the media covering the SEC. Let's start with the new coaches, Jerome Tang in Manhattan and Dennis Gates in Columbia. When you're new to a job, it's usually because things hadn't gone well for the previous coach. That's the case for both of these guys. Tang replaced Bruce Weber, and his new-look Cats were picked dead last by his peers in the Big 12. With one game to go, they can finish anywhere from second to fourth. That's a far cry from the cellar. Gates came to Mizzou to replace Konzo Martin, who had only snuck into the NCAA tournament twice in his 5 years. The Tigers have wins over Kentucky and Tennessee and have won their last 3. They might just sneak into the top 4 of the SEC, much better than their 10th place predicted finish. Now, KU won it all last year, but they lost a lot of great players. They weren't exactly starting from scratch, but they were still picked to finish second in the league. Well, stop me if you've heard this one before. There's still a game to go in the regular season, Saturday in Austin, and Bill Self's Jayhawks have already locked up the number 1 seed in Kansas City, and likely a number 1 seed in the Big Dance later this month. Brought to you by Robert Brogden's Olathe Buick GMC and Olathe Kia. Get a 90-day money-back guarantee on new vehicles when you buy from Brogden. Visit BrogdenAutomotive.com.